how much can a service technician, right, an entry-level technician make, or how much is potentially we can make in this field? Well, air conditioning is unique, right, because we have to be technical, right? We are tradesmen by trade. There are entry-level technicians, right, and there are journeyman technicians, and then there are senior technicians, right, so master technicians. What's unique about this industry is the fact that you can have two technicians who have the same experience, the same time on grade, the same time in your industry, right, in your trade, but one technician can be making $50,000, where the other technician can be making $150,000. The reason being is, if you dedicate yourself, right, and you teach yourself, and you're willing to invest in yourself, right, there really is no limitation as to what you can make. Those numbers I gave you are not the beginning and they're not the end. It's literally up to you and what you want to do in this trade. That's why the HVAC trade, right, the industry, is so unique, because it's literally, what do you want to make?